Heritage has earmarked the Plaza Bridge Steps for young and emerging artists to present their work. A new design for the steps is chosen each year through a national competition open to artists and designers ages 18 to 35. This artwork was installed as part of Canadian Heritage's Art in the Capital program, which aims to showcase the talent of Canadian artists and add vitality to locations in downtown Ottawa and Gatineau.
I'm very blessed and grateful to have this opportunity. I mean it's a big step for me. I started public art 3 years ago. I started with very small stuff, and then now I see myself growing in my art journey.
We think Unity is such a charming and evocative work. You see this simple cube-shaped house repeated in various colors, starting with a single house at the bottom that becomes an entire community at the top. The more natural shapes and colors in the background show us that this community is also closely connected to nature. We're very excited about showcasing this artwork and invite you to take a moment from your day to enjoy Canadian public art. We think Birds of a Feather is a breathtaking image. The York Street Steps are located right beside the Byward Market in downtown Ottawa. As you can see, it's a fun way to present art that encourages you to interact with the work, so that when you're on the steps, you become part of the image. We're very happy if you want to stop here and take a selfie. The winning design is by Caitlin Tagabow and Andrea Manica, two artists from Toronto. Their work was selected by a panel with expertise in art, photography, and design. The selection panel considered several criteria, such as the creativity of the concept and the visual impact of the image.
Well, I think we like to use birds in our imagery a lot, and symbol of flight. The Canada Goose, gas is an easily recognizable symbol, so we thought we would play on that.
The artists have taken this very iconic Canadian symbol, the Canada Goose, and depicted it in these bold, bright colors. You see these three geese flying together through flowers and leaves, but their distinct colors also show us that they are three individual beings.
We often use natural elements and birds and flowers for our murals. It can be symbolic without specifically representing one person or another.
We're very excited about showcasing this artwork, and we think it will appeal to viewers with its beautiful forms and vibrant colors. We're hoping that it's something that will catch your eye and invite you to take a moment from your day to enjoy Canadian public art.
And then this was really a dream come true for me.
We're happy that we were able to participate, and we feel proud that you chose our work. So thank you for that. And
visit Canada's Capital Region's temporary exhibitions webpage to access the artworks, Birds of a Feather and Unity, through puzzle pieces you can do at home. We also invite you to share your experience on social media.